Welcome to the SDA AutoCAD Electrical Training Module for wiring diagram cables. In the last video, we drew an AC schematic cable, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw the wiring diagram cable counterpart. To get to the wiring diagram, we'll go ahead and locate the terminal for the yard cabinet where our first cable lands, right-click on it, select Surf, and surf to the wiring diagram. We'll zoom out around our terminals, and under SDS Tools, we'll select AnnoWD, which is going to give us the annotation, both internal and external, on these cables. We're primarily interested in the external cable annotation. So once that annotation comes in, under AnnoWD, we're going to click the drop-down arrow, go to Blank Single Pick, and just go ahead and pick the individual internal CT annotation that we see here and hide it. And you see the external annotation has our cable number, our conductor color, and actually the terminal that it's landing on the destination side. So under SDS Tools, we pick Cable Fan NWD. Label Style 4 is our default style. The fillet corners with a 0.05 radius is the default there. The only information we want to include inline is the non-blank cable wire color. Now, since the final position of this cable is going to be down, we're going to select down even though we're drawing from the left. So what will happen is we can select our annotation, draw out to the left and then down, pick our final position there, and then draw the cable out to its final place. And left click. When the cable dialog box pops up, we're going to go to Show Edit Miscellaneous. See, we already get our wiring diagram cross-referencing number. And under the export attribute information, just like in the AC schematic cable video, you want to put the information that describes what this side of the cable is landed on. And in this case, this side of the cable is the 230 kV breaker L0123 yard cabinet side of the cable. Click OK. So now to get to the other side of the cable, we can surf from this cable bubble to the schematic side of the cable. And then from this side of the cable on the schematic, we can surf from the schematic terminals to the line panel wiring diagram. We just run the same commands as we did before. AnnoWD to annotate the external side of these cables. And again, under SDS Tools, we'll click Cable Fan NWD. The final position on this is going to be the left side. Go ahead and draw that out. You see that we automatically get the export cable description attribute information populated in the cable description field. And so now on this side, for the export cable description, we're just going to type in the description for this side of the cable, which is 230 kV breeze line L009 protection panel. Hit OK. You might want to go and do a little bit of cleanup before you go. Otherwise, you can right-click and surf directly from this wiring diagram cable to the connection diagram. Type in SDS deref in the command line, and select your cable bubble and get that information. And that's all it takes to draw a wiring diagram cable using the SDS Toolkit.